Hello friends, I'm Rishikesh Zadav and today's video topic is constructor in Java. So let's see what is the constructor in Java. So constructor is a block of code similar to the method whose name is same as that of class. Uh, every Java class has a constructor. When we don't create any constructor, uh, the Java compiler add a default constructor by itself. The constructor is called automatically at the time of object creation. The constructor does not have any return type, including void. We can use access modifiers with the constructor, which is public, private, protected, and default. We cannot use a non-access modifier with constructor. So the syntax is for constructor is uh, class name, and in curly braces class name and bracket with parameters or without parameters, and then say curly braces complete. We can use a constructor in 5 ways. First is default constructor. A default constructor which does not have any parameters, then it is called as a default constructor. When we don't create any constructor, then the Java compiler called or add a default constructor by itself. We can also make a default constructor with no arguments. So the syntax for default constructor is class class name, and in curly braces class name and bracket without uh, arguments, and the curly braces complete. So the second one is a parameterized constructor, a constructor in which we can pass uh, one or more parameters. Then it is called as a parameterized constructor. The syntax for parameterized constructor is class name, curly braces, class name, and bracket with parameters, and curly braces complete. Third one is copy constructor. When we pass object reference to the constructor, then it is called as a copy constructor. The main work for of copy constructor is to copy the data of other constructor. The syntax for copy constructor is class name, and in curly braces again class name, and in bracket object reference, and curly braces complete. Fourth one is a private constructor. It is possible to make a private constructor, but according to the rule, we cannot access uh, private members outside the class. So the we cannot create object of this class. So the syntax for private constructor is class name, curly braces, uh, then private class name and bracket, and then curly braces complete. Fifth one is constructor overloading. When we use multiple constructor in a class with different parameters list, then it is called constructor overloading. The syntax for constructor overloading is class name in curly braces, class name, bracket with parameters or without parameters we can use, and again in class name, and in bracket parameters, and then the curly braces complete. So this is the examples and information of constructor, and I hope it will helps you to understand the basics of constructor in Java. So thank you.